The 2017 Dodge Viper ACR Extreme is the culmination of raw power meeting extreme aerodynamics. Built atop the Viper ACR with the Extreme Aero package, it's explicitly designed for one goal: dominating the track. It's a street-legal terror and one of the most track-worthy production cars ever made. Powertrain and performance. At its heart is the familiar 8.4L V10 engine, producing 645 horsepower at 6,200 RPM and 600 lb-ft of torque at 5,000 RPM. The brute power is unchanged by the Aero package, but the handling transformation is profound. Matched to a crisp 6-speed manual gearbox, the ACR Extreme unleashes power directly, punching it through wide Kumho Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. From launch to redline, the car feels savage, unfiltered, visceral, and brutally honest. Expect a 0 to 60 miles per hour burst in the low 3-second range, hovering around 3.4 south per road tests. Top speed is electronically capped at 177 miles per hour, with the Extreme Aero kit in place, trading velocity for unparalleled cornering downforce. Aerodynamics, downforce monster. The Extreme Aero package is where the ACR truly earns its name. Its arsenal includes extended front splitter with dive planes, dual-element adjustable rear wing, 6 rear diffuser strakes, removable brake ducting and hood vents. This aggressive aero creates up to 907 kilograms, 2,000 pounds, of downforce in corners, and 799 kilograms at top speed, the most of any production car. The payoff? Instantaneous turn-in, rock-solid mid-corner grip, and minimal understeer, even at disturbingly high speeds. However, that drag comes at a cost. Maximum speed drops from 206 miles per hour, standard ACR, to 177 miles per hour with the full kit on. It's a deliberate design choice. Downforce over straight-line bragging rights. Chassis, suspension, and brakes. The ACR Extreme inherits the ACR's adjustable Bilstein dampers, 10-way rebound and compression settings, allowing precise setup for track biases. Add in adjustable KW-type coilovers and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, and the car feels glued to the tarmac, providing race car reactions on public roads. Braking duties are handled by massive Brembo/Bilstein setup, 391mm front with 6 piston calipers, 360mm rear with 4 pistons, all carbon ceramic, first such fitment for the Viper line. These brakes are legendary for stopping power and fade resistance, reportedly halting the ACR in under 100 feet from 60 miles per hour. 5. Handling and driving feel. On track, the ACR Extreme is a beast to behold. The video reviewer highlights razor-sharp turn-in, steadfast grip mid-corner, and unrelenting stability under braking. It's pure analog driving. Each input from the driver is telegraphed directly through the steering, pedal, and shifter. The car demands respect. The downforce can drag you around a corner faster than expected. Throttle modulation is crucial to manage torque. The 6-speed, crisp gearbox is both a joy and a reminder. Miss a shift or overthrottle, and the consequences are immediate. Enthusiasts will relish the raw feedback. Casual drivers might feel overwhelmed. Interior and ergonomics. Inside, the Viper ACR Extreme is a purified, function over luxury drive. Race-style bucket seats cradle the driver in leather with diamond stitching. An 8.4 Uconnect touchscreen remains for climate control and basic infotainment, but most comfort features can be deleted under the hardcore package. The cabin includes a lap timer beacon, standard on hardcore models. Otherwise, the interior is stripped back. A roll cage isn't standard, but the minimalist setup amplifies the sense of purpose. Power-adjustable pedals help accommodate driver size. Audio and AC can be removed to save weight. Track record and historical achievements. This isn't hype. With the Extreme Aero package, the Viper ACR scored a 7 minutes and 1.67 seconds lap on the Nürburgring Nordschleife in October 2015, driven by Dominic Farnbacher under SRT testing, making it one of the fastest street-legal laps ever, albeit unofficial. Subsequent crowdfunding attempts to break further records highlight the car's cult status. Despite the inherent danger, it set benchmark time price of about US $121,395. Today, used examples command as much as $240,000 to $500,000, depending on spec and mileage. This scarcity and performance pedigree have made it a modern classic, an investment for serious collectors. 9. Pros and cons snapshot. White heavy checkmark strengths. Warning trade-offs. Unmatched cornering grip due to insane downforce. Dramatically reduced top speed. Ferocious, naturally aspirated V10 character. Cockpit is Spartan, less comfortable for daily use. Direct, engaging 6-speed manual transmission. Track-focused components wear quickly. Proven lap record pedigree and collector appeal. Requires meticulous setup and maintenance. Conclusion. The Dodge Viper ACR Extreme is a track car masquerading as a street car. It's the purest form of analog American muscle. No driver aids, no turbochargers, just horsepower and downforce. It's not built for commuting or weekend drives. It's a statement on what a street-legal vehicle can achieve on asphalt. If you seek raw driving emotion, mechanical honesty, and one of the most thrilling V10 experiences available, the ACR Extreme delivers. It challenges more expensive supercars on track, unleashing brutal torque, mechanical grip, and aero magic in one package. However, its uncompromising nature limits appeal. This is not a GT cruiser. It's a purpose-built beast, demanding skill, attention, and respect. For passionate drivers and collectors, it delivers a visceral, unforgettable experience. For the average enthusiast, it's an awe-inspiring legend best admired from a distance. Final verdict. The 2017 Viper ACR Extreme is a raw, ferocious, track-hungry machine that delivers jaw-dropping downforce, hair-raising power, and unfiltered driving pleasure at the cost of comfort and ease. It stands as a pinnacle of analog performance in the modern